Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring you have managed server or an admin role so the bot can be invited and configured. Once done, pick a giveaway bot based on features, enterprise support, reaction entries, and logging. These matter. Make sure you create or reserve a channel for giveaways and set role restrictions ahead of time. This prevents permission errors later. Now open the bot's invite flow in a browser and select your server. Grant the requested scopes so the bot can post and manage messages. You now configure the bot either via dashboard or in server commands. Both work, but dashboards are clearer for complex options. First, make sure the bot has sent messages, manage messages, add reactions, and read message history permissions so giveaways run smoothly. Next, set a command prefix or enable/commands, choose default duration and winner count, and localize messages to match your server language. Once configured, test a short 30-second giveaway to confirm reactions are counted, and winners are. You are ready to run a full giveaway. Announce rules, prize, duration, and how winners are chosen in the message so participants understand expectations. After running, monitor logs and enable backup notifications or a moderation webhook to catch failures. If something goes wrong, first recheck the bot's server permissions and channel overrides, then confirm the bot is online and not rate limited. If commands fail, use the bot's help command or dashboard to correct settings. Persistence and clear rules keep giveaways trustworthy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.